This is the UFO Travel Interactive Calculator, which solves relativistic space travel calculations for interstellar missions. The calculator has 6 calculation modes available in the drop-down menu. Calculate Earth time, calculate ship time, calculate required velocity, calculate travel distance, calculate kinetic energy required, and calculate Lorentz factor. For this demonstration, I'll select Calculate Earth time. The input fields are distance in light years, velocity as a fraction of c, Earth time in years, ship time in years, spacecraft mass in kilograms, and Lorentz factor gamma. Depending on your selected calculation mode, different fields become inputs or outputs. Let's work through an example. I'll input 4.24 light-years for distance, 0.95 for velocity, and 1,000 kilograms for spacecraft mass. After clicking Calculate, the results show Earth time equals 4.463 years, while ship time equals 1.394 years. The Lorentz factor calculates to 3.2026, meaning time passes 3.203 times slower on the ship. The journey requires 1979.156 times 10 to the 18th joules of kinetic energy, equivalent to 22.03 tons of mass energy. This tool helps engineers understand the extreme energy requirements and time dilation effects of near light speed travel. Find the link in the description below.